Have you ever wondered how to reset adaptive parameters on throttle bodies after cleaning or replacement? It's a crucial step to ensure your car performs at its peak. Think of it as recalibrating your vehicle's brain after a bit of housekeeping, helping it adapt to the clean, efficient conditions. The process might seem daunting, but fear not. We're here to simplify it for you. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step procedure on how to successfully reset your car's throttle body's adaptive parameters. First, it's crucial to understand why resetting adaptive parameters on your throttle body is so important. This component is the heart of your engine's air intake system, controlling the amount of air flowing into the engine. The adaptive parameters are the brain behind this operation, adjusting for factors like engine load, temperature, and acceleration. They ensure your car runs smoothly, efficiently, and with optimal power. However, when you clean or replace your throttle body, these settings can be thrown off, leading to issues like rough idling, poor fuel economy, or even reduced power. It's like trying to play a finely tuned instrument that's suddenly out of tune. Now that we understand the importance of these settings, let's move on to the step-by-step procedure. Resetting adaptive parameters on your throttle body is a fairly straightforward process. Let's break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First off, you'll want to prepare your engine. This means ensuring the engine is cool, as working on a hot engine can be hazardous. So, give it time to cool down after your last drive. Next, you'll need to locate the throttle body under the hood. It's usually found on top of the engine, connected to the air intake. Once you've found it, you'll need to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. This is a crucial safety step to prevent any electrical accidents. Now, we're ready to reset the adaptive parameters. To do this, you'll want to turn the ignition key to the on position, but don't start the engine. Wait for about 3 to 5 seconds. This allows the throttle body to go through a self-check. Then turn the ignition key back to the off position. Wait for another 3 to 5 seconds. After this, start the engine, but let it idle without touching the accelerator for about 7 to 10 minutes. This will allow the throttle body to relearn its idle parameters. Finally, turn off the engine, reconnect the battery, and you're done. With these steps, you should be able to reset your throttle body's adaptive parameters successfully. To recap, we have learned the importance of resetting adaptive parameters on throttle bodies and how to do it. This process begins with turning on the ignition without starting the engine. We then wait for the throttle body to reach its default position before we start the engine. After the engine starts, we let it idle for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the adaptive parameters to reset. Each step of this procedure is crucial. Turning on the ignition without starting the engine allows the throttle bodies to reset to their default position. Letting the engine idle for a specific period helps the system to relearn its adaptive parameters. Remember, maintaining your car's throttle body can significantly improve your vehicle's performance. So don't overlook this essential routine maintenance task. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful car maintenance tips. Before we wrap up, we have one more thing to say. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this with your buddies who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more handy tips. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your cars running smoothly. Stay tuned.